Welcome to our channel for Ecno Digital. First, before we get into the video, I just want to give you an introduction of myself and Ecno Digital. My name is Jeff Hass. I am the owner of Ecno Digital, and we are an AI automation and AI agency where we are AI educators, AI consultants, and AI implementers. So we're here to help you understand AI, give you education about AI, find out what use cases will work best for your company to implement AI, whether it's in automations or agents to help you out, so you can really focus on what matters. So you don't have to get bogged down with the mundane tasks, and really you can find out how. Really, the goal of this whole channel is really to find out how AI can impact you in a positive manner. So a little bit about us. So today we're going to go through an AI automation where we're taking your blogs on your website for your company and pushing them to all of your social media channels in a matter of minutes. So buckle up. We're going to get to this first one. Okay, welcome back. Let's get into it. So what we're doing today is we're taking blog posts, and turning them into social media posts automatically. This will take 5 to 10 minutes to set up. It's super easy. All you're using is Google Sheets, um, a link grabber to get all the links from the blog for yourself or your client, Bitly to shorten that link, Perplexity AI to complete a kind of a comprehensive post for social media, and then you're using just ChatGPT to create the specific post for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever social media you want to post to. And then there's also an additional ChatGPT to make an image if you want to add an image for your post as well. So that's up to you. Um, again, I have this template. It's very, very easy to use. So if you want it, comment template. Remember to like, subscribe um, for Ecno Digital. So all right, so let's get into it here. So first, um, I'll show you the Google Sheet. It is very, very simple. It has three different columns: blog links, any notes you want to add to really help Perplexity AI and ChatGPT to give it more specifics about that post if you want to say something. And then there's a status. It's going to get it's not posted right now, but it'll get moved to posted once it goes through the process, once it goes through that automation in make.com. And again, we're doing all these automations today through make.com. There are all different types of automation softwares to use to create automations for you. But for right now, I think make.com is the easiest and has the most modules or apps that it can connect to. So that's what we're using for today. Again, comment if you want the template. So let's get into it. So first, we're going to go to we're going to go to, you'll have to find the links first to put into your Google Sheet. So like for this client, Dead End Survival, it's an outdoor survival and camping brand. You can go here. You have all of their links to all of their blogs, and I think they have quite a bit out there. So you're going to use a Chrome extension like Link. This is Link Grabber. And anyways, you click on that, and I'll just show you real quick. I already have it here. So you go here, you click on it, and it's going to provide all the links. So some of the links you won't need, but it should provide you all the different links of the blogs here that you can look at, and you can copy here and then go back to your Google Sheet and just paste it in. And if there are some that you don't want, you can just delete them. But you have them all copied here. All the blogs are copied here. So once that's all done, that's your first step. Then you need to go to make.com, and you can implement, like I said, I can share this this template for you. It's all this is already set up for you. You just have to connect to your apps. So you just import the blueprint is what it's called, and it pops up here just like this. And so let's get into it. We'll go through each one and how to set it up. So first you have your connection. So you're going to update whatever connection or whatever Google Drive you want to select. Then click on the spreadsheet ID. So you're going to, click that correct spreadsheet to go to, the sheet name. Everything else here is already set up for you. There's no need to go through anything else for you. And then again, this next Google Sheet module is just to update uh, that status C from not posted to posted. So then the next time this runs, it won't use this blog post. It'll stay posted. There's Bitly here. If you want to set this up, you can get a Bitly account. It's very inexpensive. And you would do the same thing where you're adding your connection to Bitly to go through there. Then we're using Perplexity AI here to really to summarize the article or the blog. And then it's also, you can see here, it's also considering the notes from the Google Sheet. So if you put anything else in there that you think is important that it needs to be added to the summary, you can add that there as well. Then the router is going to go to the different ChatGPT models for all of your different social media posts. So there's one for X, one for LinkedIn, one for Facebook, one for Instagram. You can add an AirShare module to go to TikTok. There's other social media items, Pinterest. There's other ways you can and modules to use to add, but these are the ones we have for now. And my client did not. I think he had this X account is disabled, and they do not have a LinkedIn account because there's no need. They don't really post on LinkedIn. So for this example, it's just Facebook and Instagram. So again, you're going to go through these different modules. Again, you need an OpenAI account, so you're going to get that connection here, and you need to connect to OpenAI, and you'll need your API, but that's very easy to get and set up here. And then it's going to go through here, and for ChatGPT, it's asking it to create a Facebook post based on the message content that we summarized earlier in Perplexity AI. And then the same thing for Instagram for this ChatGPT. And then this one, a little bit different, but this is just to make an image. So you're going to set it up, and you can see here it's using the DALL-E model to create an image for Instagram. And then you go through to Facebook and Instagram and also log into your Meta account on the correct page to add. So you have that connection there. And then once you're all done, you can test it out and see if you get any errors. You can see here it's already gone through here to Bitly to shorten the link. Now it's at Perplexity, you can see here. The router's taking it to, so it's on Facebook. That's done. Let's go to DALL-E. The image just takes a little bit longer. And now we're on Instagram, so it's going to post to Instagram now. All right, and so it's successfully posted to Facebook and Instagram. So yeah, anyways, this is super simple. This literally took less, it'll take 5 to 10 minutes to complete. It might take a little bit longer initially when you first set it up to get your OpenAI connections and other connections added for the first time. But once you set it up once, it's really simple. You just click your connection and it's there. So it might take a little bit longer at first, but not really that long at all. And one other item that you have to do is scheduling. So you can run, like I just ran it once, but this is set up for this client to run twice a week on Mondays and Fridays at 2:45. So you can set it up however often you want to, every day, every hour, on demand. So there are tons of different possibilities for these automations in Make.com. So that's it for today's video. Like, subscribe. If you want this template, just comment template in the comments. I'll be happy to send that to you. And most of all, click the link on the bio if you want to learn more about AI automations and AI education, anything about AI. We're here to help you out. So we'd love to partner with you and grow with you and help you out in any way. So hit us up and click on the link in the bio. Thanks.